Sage here for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Please stay watching for this trending news topic from the USA. Berkshire Hathaway is a company renowned for its diversified portfolio and its nonagenarian directors, the famous Warren Buffett, who at 90 years old has been trading since he was 11 years old. Their annual shareholder meeting last Saturday, May the 2nd, 2021, was a virtual event this year and was an entertaining piece of theatre from the lively business leaders, including Charlie Munger, now aged 97. The dynamic duo, who have been business partners since 1978, were still capable of dishing out the wisdom and knowledge that only comes with years of experience. And the event was held in Los Angeles, and they didn't try to seem savvy through the use of buzzwords relating to NFTs or Bitcoin, but did discuss SPACs, which were described in the billionaire's own words as being a killer. The world's most successful investors were seen to be genuinely wanting to make their shareholders happier, smarter and richer. They also made mention to a possible successor who would be seen to carry on the culture of the firm. Greg Abel was his name, and he currently oversees the running of Berkshire Hathaway Energy, sees Candies and Dairy Queen. Mr. Abel had previously worked for PriceWaterhouseCoopers and CalEnergy before he joined Berkshire Hathaway clan in 1992. Mr. Buffett's own son Howard is expected to become a non-executive chairman of the company as well. It will be Greg Abel's job when he ascends the top role to win the votes of the shareholders, who are already pushing back on some issues relating to climate change, diversity and inclusion. Warren Buffett advised the crowd that challenges relating to inflation, which became accelerated due to economic delays in supply chain disruptions and rising demand, were his major concern. The mega cap tech stock valuations are not crazy, was one of his notions. In the current climate of low treasury rates, the tech giants like Apple and Google that look great on paper in regards to their capital and free money, they don't require much capital and yet keep making returns. And on that note, Warren Buffett is a firm believer in never say never, as for many years he didn't touch tech stocks as the business models were unfamiliar to him. Now he is one of the largest shareholders in Apple Inc. He also suggested that successful stock picking is actually quite hard. He suggested that he doesn't think the average person would find it easy to pick stocks, after showing a slide from the top 20 companies with the largest market caps from 30 years ago and making a comparison where none of those companies were on the 2021 list, consisting of Apple Inc., Microsoft, Amazon, etc. He added that changes in the world were to be expected and can be difficult to predict. It's not just about selecting a range of stocks that will flourish in the future, he added. The investor, who has always been an advocate of diversification, promoted index funds as an investment answer. Next suggestion from the billionaire was beware appeals to your gambling instinct. As more and more rookie investors are drawn to the allure of trading apps like Robinhood and programs that crunch all the numbers for you, it's easier more than ever to take a punt on stocks to make a quick buck. However, the wise pundit shared the metaphor that more enter the casino doesn't mean that you're going to leave it walking out on both feet. And although US stocks are a great place to save and earn money, gambling is a human instinct, but he wouldn't encourage building a whole society around it. The profound speaker failed to disappoint his guests and generated, through his presentation, more of his famous wit and wisdom that revolved around investing in your own company with share buybacks, being brave enough to admit when wrong, and picking public battles carefully, which centered around his opinions on the internet currency Bitcoin, on which he had little to say as it was not an interest of his. And lastly, he recommended, through his actions and his words, to taking an optimistic approach to life, as optimists, in his opinion, held a higher chance at increasing their quality of life. Thanks for watching. If you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. For regular updates and information, please log on to the website kalkinemedia.com. This is Sage for Kalkine Media.